Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search button. So just click and then enter your model number B50AI top and then hit enter. Then guys click on product and then click on the motherboard title B80AI top. So this is your motherboard. Click on support. Then guys select your operating system which is you require to install the driver Windows 10 and 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so you can watch this video and install the driver because installation process same. Audio driver and this is Realtek SD audio driver and you can see this is size and this is latest and click to download. So it will take some time and depend about your internet. This is installing and then click to open after downloaded. Then double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing the audio driver. So automatically close means this is installed. Then close it.